So we have split that into points. First one is scanning business environment. So you have to see the current market scenario to see whether what your idea you have is good or not, whether the idea what you have will work out or not in the current business environment. That is your current scanning the business environment. First, immediately you cannot start a company or enterprise. It is fine. It is the final step. Okay, so initially you have to do a lot of groundwork to see whether what the idea you think is going to be working out in the public. Second one is idea generation. So you might have a lot of ideas, so you have to sit, brainstorm, and list out all the ideas what you have, so that which are possible to could be converted into products. Third one, select the best or suitable idea. So you have 10 ideas to develop a product. You have 10 products in your mind, and you have those products are customer friendly. So among the 10 products, you cannot say everything is good for the public. The current scenario in the current business environment, which will be best or suitable for launching. So if you develop this product, it is going to make a big impact on society. You have to select what is the best or suitable idea which you are going to have to market your product to the public. Determining business objectives. Once you have finalized or zeroed in on the idea, best idea which you are going to choose, you have to start the works for determining your business objective. What is your business objective? Develop this product with which is going to do so and so benefit to the public. Then market research. What idea you have, you have to do a survey in the market and see it is whether it is already available through some other company or some other enterprise. What you are doing is not a duplicate, or what you are doing is available already. Then that is not going to do any difference to your firm, right? So you have to do a complete market research to find out whether the idea which you are going to convert as a product is already there or not. If it is already there, what difference you're going to give to your product? If it is not there, then it is not an issue for you. Sixth one, product analysis. So you know what you're going to develop. So you are going to describe your product to the public. How will you describe your product to the public? Product analysis. So what are the pros and cons? What are the operating conditions? How we are going to use it? What if you use this? What are the benefits? What are the drawbacks? So all the complete analysis of the product you're going to give in the product analysis. Okay. So next one is form determining form of ownership or organization structure. So see, it is almost finalized that you are going to start an enterprise and you are going to develop the product, right? So you see, you have to build the organization. So first thing you have to build the organization structure. So who is your CEO, who is your CEO, who is CFO, then who is the owner, who is the employee, what departments you're going to have. So you have to name what is called as the organization structure, and you are going to clearly mention who is going to have what powers. Form of ownership. Launching promotional formalities. You have formally formed a company, so you are going to launch it in the public. So you are going to promote your company through social media, newspapers, TV, ads, everything. So you are going to launch promotional formalities. It can be it can be on through social media, or it can be formally through papers like that, hard copy or some digital form. You can do it anyway. Promotional, you're going to promote your company saying that we as a company, we are going to do this, we are going to develop this product for the public. So you're formally you're going to launch your company. Next one, raise the necessary funds. So if you are having funds, then this point will not have any meaning. But if you are going to raise funds from some other person, then you have to ensure that you project your company in a more positive way so that you get more amount of capital investment. Okay, raising the necessary funds, procurement of material machinery. Yes, this is again procuring all the raw materials and machines required for developing your product. Okay, so these are the land, all these what to say, non-living things which are going to be involved in developing your product, material, machinery, then your building, then the furniture, and uh, transport vehicles. So all these are going to come under procurement of materials and machinery. Then recruitment of employees. You are going to recruit people who are going to work for you and develop the product. They can be managers, there can be technicians, there can be HR persons, there can be marketers, marketing managers. So all the different proportion of employees you have to consider before you are recruiting, because you have to take care of developing, promoting, and service. So all these things you have to take care when you are going to create a product, right? Finally, undertaking business operations. Finally, you use the employees along with the material and machinery, and you create your actual product. So that finally a product is rolled out, and that is going to reach your customers. So these are the detailed functions of an entrepreneur. See, the simplified functions we have seen: generate an idea, take all the necessary action, establish enterprise. This is a very crude way of defining what is the function of an entrepreneur. And this is going to detailedly give you an idea of how we are going to, how an entrepreneur is going to, from the scratch, he's going to start from idea generation till he's going to roll out his product. So that is going to be the functions of